Hello friends, today I am going to tell you why we need to clean the PCBs and what is the procedure. So now you can see that there is an open environment. We are sitting in the open environment. You can see that. So why we are sitting in the open environment? Why? Because we are using petrol. So you can see that we are using petrol over here. There are other solutions also available instead of petrol, but we are using petrol because it evaporates very fast. And it just clean the PCB and it's very economic as well. So how you can clean it? You can see that. Let me just zoom it on the PCB. So this is the procedure. We are cleaning it. Then we will use a clean cloth and clean this PCB. Like this is the cloth we are using. And now all the dirts or extra flux or sometime extra solder as well will go away. And this is how clean it is. Now you can directly use this PCB in your products. So what we usually do, we just make the PCBs together. Like these are the PCB we have made. So these are sufficient for 1 week or let's say according to your requirement. And after cleaning the PCB, so first of all, why we need to clean the PCB? We need to clean because there is flux or there is extra solder available on the PCB after soldering. Okay, so solder not like the joint solder. Sometimes there is a type of small solder balls on the PCB, so you need to clean them, and they can be cleaned with the help of this cleaning process. And this is how we are cleaning. If you don't clean the PCB, then when you will manufacture your product, then it is going to consume a lot of your time, and it's sheer wastage of time. But if you are already cleaned your PCB, removed the extra flux and solder, then directly you can use these PCB in your product. So this is the way. After cleaning the PCB, we just do one more step. We test each and every PCB by providing the power supply and checking their output. If everything is okay, we just write down okay on the PCB and use that whenever in requirement.